Luigi Mangione, facing a complex web of state and federal charges related to murder and terrorism, made his appearance in a Manhattan state court on Friday. The charges stem from the December 4th killing of Brian Thompson, the CEO of UnitedHealthcare. The prosecution alleges a premeditated ambush. Thompson, en route to an investor conference at a Midtown Manhattan hotel, was the victim of a targeted attack. The details painted by the prosecution present a chilling picture of calculated violence, a stark contrast to the defense's emerging narrative. Following the shooting, Mangione allegedly fled New York City via bus, initiating a multi-day manhunt that captivated the nation and strained law enforcement resources. The authorities' claims regarding the ease with which they ultimately apprehended Mangione stand in stark contrast to the descriptions of his initial escape. The speed of his apprehension, in relation to the extensive search initially undertaken, has already spurred speculation and questioning of the investigation's methodology. This discrepancy is a point of significant contention in the ongoing legal battle. The prosecution's case, they assert, is overwhelmingly supported by a wealth of forensic evidence. This evidence, according to official statements, includes, but isn't limited to, compelling surveillance footage capturing the events surrounding the murder. Adding further weight to their case, the prosecution highlights the discovery of fingerprints on seemingly innocuous items found near the crime scene, a cereal bar wrapper, and a discarded water bottle, which, they claim, indisputably link Mangione to Thompson's death. The sheer volume of evidence presented, its seemingly irrefutable nature, and the detailed accounts of the alleged crime scene reconstruction collectively strengthen the prosecution's position. However, Mangione's legal defense team has adopted a proactive approach, launching a website designed to counter the narrative disseminated by the prosecution. This website, according to a press release issued by the legal team, aims to provide what they term accurate information, address frequently asked questions from the public, and actively combat what they describe as misinformation circulating in the media. The website's stated goal is to present a balanced perspective, offering counterpoints to the prosecution's assertions and highlighting perceived flaws or inconsistencies within their case. The proactive nature of this digital defense strategy underscores the team's commitment to shaping public perception and bolstering Mangione's defense. The content of this website, which includes detailed timelines, witness statements, some redacted to protect identities, and analyses of the forensic evidence, is being closely scrutinized by legal experts and the media alike. The disparity between the narratives presented by the prosecution and the defense is a key element driving public interest in the ongoing trial. The multiple prosecutions against Mangione state-level charges for murder and terrorism, supplemented by significant federal counts, represent an unprecedented legal challenge. The sheer complexity of the case, the magnitude of the charges, and the significant media attention it has garnered all contribute to its unusual nature. This confluence of factors has made the Mangione case a focal point of legal and public discourse. This developing story is expected to unfold over many months, if not years, and each new revelation promises to further complicate this already intricate legal battle. The extensive resources committed to both the prosecution and the defense highlight the gravity of the charges and the potential implications for all involved. The ongoing investigation continues to uncover new details, and the subsequent legal proceedings promise a prolonged and highly publicized confrontation. The unfolding of this complex legal saga will undoubtedly provide ample material for legal scholars and journalists for years to come. The ramifications extend far beyond the immediate participants, impacting public discourse on justice, terrorism, and the balance between individual rights and national security.